Okay, guys, start the clock again. The reason I'm doing that is I got about a 10-minute limit on YouTube video uploads. So, anyway, just to let you know why I'm doing that, let's go ahead and figure out how to build this guy. This, of course, is the object used in one pretty popular proof of the Pythagorean theorem. A square made from four triangles, congruent triangles. And with their hypotenuses out. That is, in fact, the plural of hypotenuse, by the way. I had to look that up. So anyway, as you can see, this is an object which is controlled by this parent object, and it's durable, doesn't fall apart, which is probably nothing more than geek speak for cool. So let's go ahead and build that baby. We'll just go to our new page, and of course I've shown how to do the add new page trick in another video called I believe it's called square given two vertices or something. I can't remember what I named it, but anyway, it's one of the previous videos. And so what we'll do here is we will go ahead and build that square given two vertices. And if you don't have this option available on your drop down menu, go back to the square given two vertices video and it will show you how. Let's just go ahead and build this square about right there, and then we'll delete off the interior of the square and hide the labels just to make our sketch as uncluttered as possible. Hide these labels. So then let's just do a rotate on this segment, and the way we're going to do that is by going about negative 20 degrees. You can see the 90 pointed it straight down. Negative 20 looks pretty good, so there we go. Okay, make our rotation. So now what we need to do, as we can see here from our model object, we need a line running through this vertex, and that is perpendicular to this line. I know that little cursor there is kind of small, but anyway, you can sort of see the point. Let me highlight that. And so we need this point and perpendicular to this line segment. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that by selecting this line and this point and asking for a perpendicular, and hot dog, there we go. Now let's select that one and ask for an intersection to be constructed, and there we go, we got it. So now we can ask for an intersection here, and so there we go, and we can then hide off this, and this really easily. So now what we have accomplished is a sort of path to making our objects. We'll go ahead and build these segments, construct the segments, I should say. Okay, so now we need this same triangle. We'll look here. We need this same triangle to have its this line, this entire line, to be vectored and translated to this point. Sorry about that, that's a little bit crooked, but anyway, you get the idea. So what we'll do is simply mark the vector we'll select these 2 points and the order of the direction we want to move. Transform, mark vector, and take that line segment and that point right there. Transform, translate, tell it OK. Now we're doing pretty good. We can go ahead and build a segment here. What we'll do is we'll just go ahead and build line segments 4 at a shot. Excuse me, 2 at a shot. And you can see there we got more than we needed, but we can just hide these off really quick. Now we have the ones we need, and we can ask for intersections to be constructed. There we go, and we can now hide this line, and this point. So now all we have to do is construct these segments, and I will show you here real quick what would happen if we asked for these segments to all be constructed at once. We're going to get some stuff we don't want, like that for instance. So let's just go ahead and undo that and select one segment at a time to get the ones we like. Don't know what I did to make that a dashed line, but we can fix that easily enough. And then we'll construct this segment. And to fix this, however I did that, maybe you guys caught what I did, but I did not. We'll just hide that. Then we'll select those 2 and construct the segment. And hey, check it out, for some reason we did that again. That is not making much sense. Well, guys, I don't know what I did to do that. I'll figure it out and talk about it in the video when we do the translations and make this object controlled off of one single object. We'll talk to you then.